Reading Unit 7, Lesson 15. I can describe how authors grew my understanding of places, time periods, cultures, races, and/or genders through their memoirs' central messages. So today, Mrs. Colville made a list of the authors of memoirs you've read. So you're going to tell me in a Google Doc how those authors left you with bigger ideas or central messages on how they changed or were affected within their memoirs. What did I learn from those authors about places, time periods, cultures, races, or genders that I didn't know before? Number 2, you will submit your Google Doc on Schoology. And then you'll read a book of your choice. But you must answer the central message for each memoir. We've been reading the same memoirs all unit, so this should not be difficult if you've been doing your job every day. Once you sign into Schoology, I want you to go to Courses and ELA. You're going to scroll down to Unit 7, Memoirs and Personal Narratives. Then we're going to click on the green that says Memoir Text because we're going to be completing a table or a chart that relates all those memoirs we've been reading this unit. So it says Reading, Unit 7, Lesson 15, How Authors Grew Your Understanding. Let's open that, please. Then we're going to open your document. Excuse me. In document, you're going to put your name, the date. So for you, it will be April, gracious, May 7th. So I'm going to figure out my central message for Tripologos. Thank you, Mr. Fokker. So one of the central messages, you may not use this one, is to always let an adult know when you are being bullied. Notice in a sentence, all of your answers will be in a sentence. So you're going to be using your purple memoir resources book, and you're going to be identifying the central message, but also you're going to tell me, what did I learn about that period of time, whether it's that period of time, maybe it happened in the past, those cultures, races, or genders, or just anything else that you learned. So I may say that I learned that teachers are willing to stand up for their students. So I may not be relating to a time period, a culture, a race, or a gender, but I did learn that there are really good teachers out there, and they will do anything for their students. So you're going to do this for Mr. Fokker as well, except you can't use my central message. And you're going to do it for all the other memoirs. So if you've been doing your job in reading, this should be a very easy assignment. When you are done, be sure to submit. Otherwise, your score is a 0. Once you've submitted, then you can read a book of your choice at your seat. Make me proud. I want a great report.